Howdy loves, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline. You should totally subscribe and join the man fam. So basically today is my first real final. I'm in this class called Logic because I transferred from public school, and to graduate from this particular private school you have to take this class called Logic. It is probably the worst class that I've ever had to take in my life. Like, I don't want to know what I got in that final, but basically, I didn't know that that final was on Monday. Today's Thursday for context, by the way. So I literally walk into class and I think that like it's gonna be next Monday because like why would it be this Monday? Yeah, so it turned out I had that final on Monday. Today I'm gonna be taking my English final. The way that my school does finals is each day that you have a final, you literally only have to be at school from 8 to 11, and then you can just go home and do whatever you want after. So it's gonna be actually pretty nice. I genuinely thought that my test was starting at 9 o'clock because that's when my regular school starts. But thank God that I woke up early because it actually starts an hour earlier. And right now it's 7:45 and it takes 20 minutes to get to school. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna have to like book it. Okay, I just got to my school. Oh my god, I don't want to be here right now. I brought this book just in case I have to stay here. Yep, let's do this. Let's just get it over with. You guys, it's literally 9:36 and I'm done with school. So I'm gonna go home and probably go to the gym. My hand hurts so bad. I feel like I literally wrote way too much. It was pretty easy. I hope I did good. Let's go to the gym. Top is Lululemon Align tank, and then my Nike Pros. Yeah, I don't know what workout I want to do today, but I'm gonna actually try and film and get some footage unless I get shy and can't film at the gym. I've literally seen so many people take pre-workout like in their mouth, and so I'm gonna try that today. Kind of scared. Okay, so the pre-workout I'm gonna be using today is the Alani Nu Breezeberry pre-workout, and usually I like mix it in something, but I'm just gonna do the thing where you like put it in your mouth, take water, and then like swoosh. Oh god, I'm like really scared. What if I literally die?
Body. So you're just dealing with the pre-workout.
Yo, that wasn't so bad. I think I'm ready for the gym now. Guys didn't know already, I'm like Glossier's biggest fan, and they just sent me a PR package and it is the cutest thing ever. I already like ruined it, oops, but hold on, where is that letter? Came with a little letter. It was like packaged really nicely, and I guess they're introducing their new Ultra Lip, which looks so fun and I cannot wait to try it out. I'm gonna have so much fun playing with these. I just took a shower, so I need to get dressed, but just thought I would share. Thank you so much, Glossier, if you guys are watching this. You guys, look at this MF outfit I just put on. So I bought these jeans. They're these low-cut jeans. Look at how freaking cute these are. Obsessed. Currently trying to convince my friends to go to Ulta with me, but they're all being so annoying. They literally just want to go to Cabela's because they're dudes. And I'm like, yo, let's go to Ulta. I'm trying to get more Shape Tape concealer. I've been obsessed with this Beauty Counter peppermint lip conditioner thing. Oh my god. One of my best friends, Lexi, just texted my friend and I and said, hey, y'all want to get ice cream and make fun of that Netflix show on Friday? I have my cheer banquet. Can I do it after? Some light makeup today. I also love Glossier. I want to try out the new lip things that they gave me. I'll see you guys when my makeup is done. all done. I need to package a Poshmark order. I'll drop off right now since I have a lot of time. Okay, so this girl named Quinn purchased my not for sale VIP, that's the name of the brand, rock and roll hoodie, and I have recorded so many songs in the studio wearing this, traveled with this. It holds a special place in my heart. It just doesn't fit me anymore. Also, I am clearing out my closet. I think there's still a couple items left for sale on my Poshmark, so if you want, you guys can click the link in the description and shop after this video. You guys, there's another package at the door. Oh, look at how big this is. This clothing brand on Instagram DM me, and it's not like a paid partnership. They just asked if I wanted any clothes from their website. I am so excited to open these. Oh. Wait, this is so cute. There's so many things. Shut up. Okay, so first we have this top. So cute. This is a long sleeve shirt dress, and it's just white. Oh my gosh, I think this is like a corset top. Cute. Never owned one of these before. Yo, this looks like a pair of jeans. We've got straight leg jeans with some rips, and we have a blue dress. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. Blue halter 70s dress. No, this is so cute. Okay, so it's a black top and you tie it like a halter. Another one similar to the blue dress. It's just one item in this. Yes! I saw this on their site. I'm so excited for this. Look at this huge, like, green cropped puffer. I am in love, literally in love. Thank you so much, Beginning Boutique. If you guys are watching this video, you guys literally did not have to send me all that. That is the sweetest thing ever. Look who's home. Hello. So I am so stupid and literally should have vlogged this because I did stuff for the past couple of hours. Leighton, Maddie, Alex, and I hung out, and we literally did that for like the past 4 hours because my dad is gone. He went to San Antonio for work, but my mom and I are gonna go have a little date tonight. All right, Mom?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, we're gonna go get some Italian food, and then we're gonna go see a movie. I don't know what the movie's called, but it's the new one that Angelina Jolie is in, and I'm so excited. Oh, okay. Literally nobody is here at this movie theater, which makes me so sad because like I don't want them to go out of business and all that, but yeah, we're seeing this movie called Those Who Wish Me Dead, and I'm very excited. It's supposed to be a horror movie with action. Good morning. I can't feel my voice.
You have a letter from Uncle Dan and Aunt Melody.
So my Aunt Melody, who I haven't seen since I was like 5 years old, just sent me this card, not for my birthday or anything, but just to tell me how proud she is. If you guys didn't know, I love cards. They are like my favorite thing ever, and flowers. Yeah, thank you so much, Aunt Melody, if you're watching this. Okay, it is so foggy outside right now, but this is what I'm wearing to school. I have a pink headband on, this sweatshirt from Brandy, and then my gray skirt and black Vans. Because it is finals week, I don't know if you have to like follow the dress code and stuff. I really hope that I don't get dress coded. Obviously, because my school is a private school, they have like all these rules and stuff, and your girl almost got a referral for wearing white shoes. So yeah, no, I have to be very careful. I don't know, I just feel like I'm so scared to get a referral for anything, and I feel like it's just incredibly easy. And I have like 6 pairs of white shoes. Going to school right now. Also, I've got so many questions about whether or not I'm gonna make any new music soon, or what the deal is with that. So I feel like I should just say it on here, because I don't like when YouTubers are like, yeah, like I'm working on something, but like I can't tell you. and then you're like, well then why did you even bring it up, you know? This year, I'm going to make an EP. In all honesty, I had lost so much music inspiration. A little while ago, I texted my dad in the middle of the school day, and I was like, I want to make an EP. I want to get back into music, blah, 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 because I've been songwriting a little bit here and there, and yeah, I just really want to get back into it. I expect new music. I'm probably gonna go to California a bunch this summer. Also recording in my hometown studio that I always record at. So it's gonna be really fun. I'm very excited.
Everybody, on three.
Say something.
1, 2, 3.
I just started.
A friend of mine got sick with Rob.
What did he just say? We're taking our history final, and I did not study, but Robbie did.
I did what?
You studied?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Because I value my grade.
Oh my god. Okay, wish me luck, guys. Good luck, Caroline. Stop. You guys, guess who finished their final? It is 9:20. I started my final at 8. I took history today. It was actually really, really easy because I feel like we were prepared so well. Oh,
here's what happens.
Sorry, that's my podcast. I need to drop off a Poshmark package, and then let's sing a song right now. This song is so cute. Do I have like chocolate? Also, I used my new Glossier lip thing today, and I like use a very nude color, and I love it.
We could drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open sea. How it would begin, for summer is for falling in love. So remember your life, 'cause nothing ever changes the fact that summer is for falling in love. Summer is for falling in love.
So cute, I love it. Just put on this workout set from Lululemon, or it's not a set, but I made it a set. Align leggings, and then I'm not sure what style of bra this is, but it's one of those like super cute crisscross back ones. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the gym right now. I'm not doing anything today besides in the evening. I have a cheer banquet, so I will kind of get ready with you guys for that. Pretty chill day, and I'm excited to go to the gym. Okay, this is my outfit for the cheer banquet tonight. Let me flip this around. This is the dress that I'm wearing, and I have on my Steve Madden shoes. For jewelry today, I'm so excited because I'm wearing my Tula Blue bracelets and my Tula Blue necklaces. I'm actually doing a brand photo shoot with them on Monday. Today's Friday, by the way. They rented out this spot and wanted me to model for them again, so definitely check out their jewelry. I'm obsessed with it. Super cute bracelets. My parents can't make it to the banquet tonight, so I'm gonna solo ride it. I'll try to get some videos on my phone. I just don't want to pull up in my camera because my school is very strict. Hey, so we just went to our banquet thing. It's like the athletic banquet. Dude, anyways, so we're gonna go pick up Ben and we're gonna go get some ice cream. Yummy. Because ice cream is so good. But we had Cabo Bob's for dinner at the banquet. It was really good. Yeah, I didn't get any awards because we're not that cool. Hey, it's all self-deprecation. Anyways, sucks at cheer, guys. I literally.
Why is it gotta be so complicated? Maybe this love thing's overrated. My feet in the sand, my face in my hands. I know it's my fault 'cause I never make plans. And now you're telling me you love me, but she don't even know me.